In this video, I'm going to talk about 5 maintenance and repairs that I have spent on my box truck in the first 6 months. Tires are a big expense for your box truck, especially if you're driving 2,000 to 3,000 miles every single week. For me, I think each tire for labor and parts is about $400. And in the first 2 months, I already had to change out 2 tires. From what I've researched, I anticipate changing out every single one of my tires every single year based on driving 100,000 to 150,000 miles per year. And my box truck has 6 tires, so do the math, that's $2,400 a year in just tires. Another big expense that I had operating my box truck is the Liftgate. So Liftgate obviously is super important, especially if you're running with Amazon, doing local deliveries with Lowe's or Home Depot, dropping off anything at the post office. But even with over-the-road brokers, sometimes I have to use my Liftgate, and that is not cheap, having to fix the Liftgate. I think I spent close to $2,000, mostly in labor, trying to troubleshoot, rewire some things, connect some wires, change out some batteries. With your Liftgate, you are going to spend a lot of money in repairs. So do checks and maintenance. Try to keep your Liftgate working properly. If you're not using it for a long period of time, I recommend using it every once in a while. Keep the motor healthy, keep the batteries charged. That way your Liftgate will last a long time. So every 2 to 3 weeks, I'm getting an oil change, and it's tough to get an oil change when you're over the road. At home, with my diesel mechanic, it's easy, but when my driver is over the road in Arizona, Wisconsin, South Carolina, Massachusetts, it's not as easy to find a good, reliable diesel mechanic to change your oil. And prices fluctuate wildly when you're over the road. If you stop at a big mainstream truck stop, or if you stop at a little mom and pop diesel mechanic, prices can fluctuate anywhere from $200 all the way up to $400 for a simple diesel oil change. So plan on changing your oil, depending on mileage, at least once a month, sometimes more, maybe a little bit less if you're doing local deliveries. So everyone knows you're gonna have to change your oil and your oil filter, but I think some things that not everyone thinks about is the air filter and the fuel filter and the belt. Those things are gonna need to be changed out sometimes every month, every 2 months, once a year, depending on what it is. I think the fuel filter gets changed out, for me, every other oil change. The air filter, I think, maybe every 6 months, every 12 months. I'm not a mechanic, so I don't know the exact timing on changing all of those things. But what I have learned is that they cost money and they need to be done. And if your belt goes, your whole engine locks up and you won't be able to drive. So I recommend checking that belt, have your drivers just do daily checks on fluids and check the belt along with everything else they're checking on a daily basis. And remember to get those things changed every time you go to the mechanic to get your oil change. Have them check the fuel filter, the air filter, the belt. You want to make sure everything's running properly, because whenever you're over the road, driving in different states, the last thing you want is for your truck to break down. So every time you're at the mechanic, use that opportunity to have them check all the fluids, all the filters, the belt. That way, whenever you go out on trips, you're not worried about breaking down. Okay, so far I've talked about oil changes, filter changes, belts, your Liftgate, your tires, and the last thing I want to talk about is just everything else. Whether it's antifreeze, headlights, maybe your box on your box truck, maybe your pallet jack, all the equipment you use, everything else just costs a lot of money. So there's the routine stuff, the stuff that you can plan for, the stuff that's gonna happen every single week, every single month, and then just anticipate, plan for everything else, breaking, needing to be fixed. So the general rule of thumb for me is I budget 10% of my miles to be paid for in maintenance. So if I'm driving 2,000 miles a week, averaging 8,000 to 10,000 miles a month, I figure between $800 and $1,200 every single month is gonna go towards some sort of maintenance. Monthly oil changes, tires, repairing my Liftgate, changing out my filters, and then just everything else that could possibly go wrong. So plan ahead, save money, and expect a lot of repairs and maintenance whenever you're operating a box truck business. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more updates on how to start and run a box truck business, and stay tuned for the next video.